by Benzaben Carpentry and Joinery. But there's one skill that has stood the test of time for centuries: carpentry and joinery. It's more than just working with wood. It's the art of shaping ideas into reality. Carpentry teaches you creativity, precision, problem-solving, and the value of hard work. It's a profession where your hands and mind work together to create something beautiful and useful, from custom furniture to entire buildings. Every project leaves behind a piece of your legacy. Choosing carpentry means you will never run out of opportunities. People will always need homes, furniture, and renovations. Whether you work for a company, start your own business, or travel the world with your skills, it's a career that doesn't just give you a paycheck, it gives you pride. You can point at your work years later and say, "I built that." That's a feeling no office desk can give. So if you're young and searching for a path that blends creativity, stability, and freedom, pick up the tools, learn the trade, and shape your future. In Carpentry and Joinery, you're not just building wood, you're building dreams. Train your children to have a skill. Benzaben Carpentry and Joinery. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comments. Keep following for more.